By now, I'm pretty sure each one of y'all at least know the concept of Expo and what Expo entirely is. We have heard of Terra Gardens, now it's the Terra Woods. Why Expo is actually it's such a big hype. First thing, the infrastructure. So imagine the crowd, Nestle, Siemens, all these big companies are holding their headquarters in Expo. The entire concept of Expo entirely is completely different. In Dubai right now, everybody's chasing for that uniqueness and Expo gives you that. Hi, this is Anura and today we're going to talk about Expo living. By now, I'm pretty sure each one of y'all at least know the concept of Expo and what Expo entirely is. I'm not going to tell you the entire detail and put you into a big confusion. But there's a new opportunity that's coming in Expo, that too by Emaar. We have heard of Terra Gardens, now it's the Terra Woods. Now let me give you a little bit insights about the entire Expo, the pricing for Terra Woods and how exactly Emaar has planned this entire master plan. Before I get into anything, you need to understand why Expo is actually such a big hype. Although it is in the south, although you have a lot of communities in the south, why is Expo known for and why is it becoming such a hype? First thing, the infrastructure. By now, at least we all know how important an infrastructure is. You're not going to invest on a barrel land. You have everything present there. Expo's entire community is almost ready. So the thing about Expo is you have everything. It will be one of the most renowned and most known destination. We all know Zubair for one reason, the exhibition center. And that whole thing is moving to south. So imagine the crowd and the footfall that will be coming up in this particular area. Not just that, starting off with the headquarters, Nestle, Siemens, all these big companies are holding their headquarters in Expo. Then of course you have the tomb wherein you have the Ramadan markets, Christmas markets coming up. The entire concept of Expo entirely is completely different. In Dubai right now, everybody's chasing for that uniqueness and Expo gives you that. I mean, it's called the sustainable city for a reason. You are moving on the solar panels, you're moving inside the community with the buggies. So there's much more to it. It's not just your fancy living area. If I talk about Dubai South entirely, rather than Dubai South, which is a barrel land, I'm not telling that it's a bad investment, but you're looking at a longer time period, unlike Expo, wherein you have everything ready. Now, getting on to the connectivity. Now, let's start from scratch and understand the entire location. Well, this is your Expo. You're right on Sheikh Mohammed bin Zayed Road. Of course, moving down, you have the Al Maktoum International Airport. This is your airport. You have Emaar South right over here. And one good thing about Expo City is, if this is your entire Expo City, Expo Living is right over here, which means you have direct access to Sheikh Mohammed bin Zayed Road. You have a metro which is already existing and a mall that will be coming in. I'll show you in a bigger diagram for you to get an idea. So basically, this is the location and this is the Expo Road. So basically, you are placed very much on the spot where your connectivity is easier. Now that's about the entire Expo, the location and what entire concept of Expo is. Now where does Terra Woods come in exactly? Let me show you. Now this is Terra Woods. Like I told you, this is your Al Maktoum International Airport. You have the metro line right over here, station which is right over here and Terra Woods over here. They're coming up with their 3 buildings right over here. You know, Emaar standard, they are launching their 1, 2 and 3 bedroom and 3 bedroom townhouses. But this time they're launching 3 buildings over here. And this particular project will have a lot of amenities. I'll show you shortly what sort of amenities we are looking at. But the best thing is you have the mall right over here and the metro line right over here. What I meant about the connectivity is not just the road but also the metro line and easy accessibility to the mall. But we all know whenever there's mall near your building or a metro station right over there, how the prices get appreciated and how the demand works. Now we all know that everyone who's living in Dubai, at least they love convenience and they want that convenience. And when you see the mall, which is just hardly 2 to 3 minutes away from you and the station, well, that makes the building even more investment worthy. Let's talk about the units, the number of units and the prices for the units in Terra Woods. Now, you know that they are coming up with 3 buildings. So that means let's see how many units they are actually giving us. Now for the 1 bedroom, you have 463 units and the average price is 1.66 million. Then for the 2 beds, you have 311 units and the price is about 2.45 million. 3 bedroom, only 44 units, that means it's 1 unit per floor and the average price is 3.58 million. Lastly, your 3 bedroom townhouses, you're having only 6 units, but you're getting the direct access to the amenities and the average price is 5 million. For the payment plan, you're getting the standard payment plan by Emaar, which is 80/20. You pay the down payment of 10% and 4% is your DLD charges. Then you have 70% during construction split over 6 months. So you pay 10% every 6 months. And then on completion, you're paying another 20%. The expected handover is in March 2030. So this is how the payment plan is distributed. For the amenities, like I mentioned, Emaar is giving certain amenities which they have never given before. For example, you have the outdoor cinema, then you have a gaming station that's coming up, table tennis space, volleyball courts, rooftop paddle, meditation and yoga garden. So there are a lot of amenities that are coming up over here. And also, if you see the entire building, you have one podium that is connecting all the amenities together. So that means you have a lot of amenities, almost 25 amenities, 23, 25 amenities that are coming, that Emaar is giving you. Now going down to the stacking of how exactly your units are placed in the building, let's have a look. So your one bedrooms are placed over here, so that means you're getting the outside community view. Few of them you're also getting the Expo Mall view. Then you have the two beds, mainly you're getting community in the park view or the amenities view. And for the 3 bed, you have the direct park view, and you also have certain views that are looking over to the amenities. And lastly, for the townhouses, which are placed right over here. So this is how your entire unit stack looks like. Either you're getting the mall view, the community view, amenities view, or the park view. So this is how it's placed. Now if I talk about why it's worth investing over here, let's take the data. Back in 2024, the price per square feet was 1,600 dirhams. And today we are standing at, in 2026, we are standing at 2,150 dirhams price per square foot. That's the level of increase is what we are talking about. Now, mind you that this is not just investor product, this is also an end user product. When we talk about headquarters coming in, we are talking about a lot of development happening in Expo and in the south. Let's take the crowd from the airport, let's take the crowd from the headquarters. They all will be looking at convenience. In Dubai, at least so much we know, whoever is working in a particular area, they search for surrounding residences for easy accessibility. So this is what Expo gives you. You have a lot of opportunities and it's a good time to step in. We are still not late in. So if you're interested in the entire Expo, you want to know about the prices, the analysis, or just want to know how to get started, then contact me on the number given below and I'll catch you back in the next video. For now, Expo is collecting EOIs and they'll have their bookings done by 17. So if you're interested or you want to know more about any of the projects, this project in particular or the analysis, then contact me on the number given below and I'll catch you back in the next